In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Coda IO templates. Templates in Coda are ready-made setups that help you get started fast, whether you're building a task tracker, a content calendar, or a lightweight CRM. Instead of starting from scratch, you can drop in a complete structure that's already laid out with thoughtful sections, tables, and views, then tailor it to your needs. With your Coda doc open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the plus icon. This opens the Insert panel, which is your toolbox for adding building blocks to your document. Think of it as a catalog of components you can bring into your canvas, from basic elements to more advanced setups. From that panel, select Templates. This takes you to Coda's template gallery, where you can browse a curated collection designed for a variety of use cases. You'll see different options that range from simple lists to more robust systems. The gallery is designed to help you evaluate quickly, so you can focus on finding a structure that matches the way you work. Now hover your mouse over any template to see a preview. As you hover, pay attention to the layout. Notice the sections in the left sidebar, the types of tables included, and any pre-configured filters or views. This quick glance helps you understand how information will flow and how different parts relate to one another before you commit to adding anything. If something looks close but not perfect, keep hovering through a few more options to compare. Your goal here is to pick the one that gets you as close as possible to your desired outcome, so you'll spend less time tweaking later. When you've found a template you like, simply drag it from the panel and drop it onto your canvas. Your canvas is the main working area of your doc, and dropping the template there places the entire structure right where your cursor is. You'll see the sections, tables, and example content appear instantly, giving you a functional starting point. Don't worry if it takes up a bit of space or lands slightly off from where you expected. You can always rearrange your page afterward. The key is that the template is now part of your document, ready for you to explore, review, and make your own. That's it. Click the plus icon, choose Templates, hover to preview, and drag and drop the one that fits. Using templates is a simple way to jumpstart your workflow and build polished docs in minutes.